In my kitchen today, we are going to make a creamy cucumber salad that is cool, crisp, and it's absolutely perfect for summer, or honestly, anytime you want something light and refreshing. It is easy, it is quick. So let's get started. Let me show you how to make it. You will need 2 English cucumbers for this salad. And then you can slice them using a mandolin like what I have here, or just a regular chef knife. But I'm going to use the mandolin. And I just cut off the end of the cucumber, and then I'm just going to begin to make slices, thin slices. I have lined a baking tray with paper towels, and I'm just going to lay out the cucumbers onto the paper towel. Then I'm going to take another paper towel and just kind of pat them dry. This just removes excess moisture from the cucumbers. Now to make the dressing, I am going to use a plain Greek yogurt, but you could also use sour cream for this. But the Greek yogurt, it just has extra protein, so I'm going to add that. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey. Give it a stir. And I'm also going to add some fresh dill. Give it a little chop. And this is about a tablespoon, but you could add more or less, depending on how you like it. Add my cucumbers to a bowl. And pour that dressing right over top. And that's it. Your creamy cucumber salad is ready to serve. It is light, refreshing, and packed with flavor. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious dishes, and let me know in the comments how yours turns out, or maybe what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.